So on the first ride today, people, I've just gone out. I'm on my way back. I thought I'd give it a bit of a rundown. I thought I'd bring you guys along. I don't know what order this video is going to be in, but hopefully you kind of get it in a normal order. I've already gone out for about an hour, 2 hours, seeing what it's all about. The bike's quick, but I'm feeling the pain, and I don't think I'll keep it. It's got a little bit of a bog down low on the revs, so I'm going to sort that out. But yeah, I'll walk you through and let you see everything. Right, so here she is in her formal glory. Everything seems to be working fine. It is a very quick bike, but yeah, like I said, it's very uncomfortable. I've been going for about an hour or two. I can see why people don't want to go around town on it. Yeah, I've been going for about an hour. Stopped for some lunch. Yeah, it's alright, it's okay, but I was looking at my comments and people were like, sell it, keep it, sell it, keep it. So I think it's got to go, but it's bloody pain without the speedo. Without that speedo in there, I don't know if you can see that, but without that, around here we have a lot of like speed cameras and little villages, and yeah, I'm just following the person in front of me thinking, I hope you're doing the speed limit. And also, if I don't have someone in front of me, because I've caught up with everyone, I'm then guessing, so speedo is going to be definite. But yeah, she's alright. I mean, for 16 years she works a fucking treat, mind. I'm going to get some on board footage today mostly, so you might have already watched that already, so if you have, that's cool, but if you haven't, it's coming up. But yeah, this is us now. What up people, this is the end of the video. It was just a quick little one, just to see the bike out and about. It went well. Hopefully the footage comes out well, but yeah, a few things to work on. One is throttle cable. We have a bit of clutch slip as well. Not throttle cable, sorry, the speedo cable. The throttle works really well. But yeah, apart from that, it's just the looks really, but I can't be asked. I might just sell it as it is, running project, do a full service maybe, sort out the bog, that'd be it really. But yeah, there she is. I've had a bloody good ride today, so yeah, hopefully it all comes out well, and I'll see you in the next one.